Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we're going to make Celtuce or stem lettuce, a recipe that's famous in China. So our ingredients are here. So let us put in a bowl minced garlic, dried chilies, seasoning Szechuan pepper, garlic, light soy sauce, salt, and sugar. So here we're going to grate our Celtuce, and then we're going to add some salt, and then we're going to mix it and set aside for at least 15 minutes. And then we can see there's an excess water, so we're going to pour away the excess water. And of course we're going to add the sauce that we prepared, mix it well, and done and serve. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day. I hope you like our recipe for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. God bless everyone. Bye.